Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Powershell not working on Windows 11. And now let's get started. When Powershell encounters issues on your Windows 11 system, it can be a frustrating experience since it is an integral part of the operating system. Fortunately, there are straightforward steps you can take to resolve this. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab on the left-hand side list. On the right pane, click on Check for Updates. Allowing Windows to install any pending updates can often resolve underlying issues that might be affecting Powershell. Once the update process is complete, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. It is crucial to select Run as administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: sfc:/scannow. Press Enter to initiate the System File Checker scan. This utility will scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them, which can also fix problems with Powershell. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.